when we have that loss of connection with people, when we get triggered, our brain actually looks at it as a life and death response. So it's very attuned to how we look at each other, how we talk to each other, how the tone of voice, it's like in personal relationships. So we really have to understand that when our brain goes into that separation distress, when we lose that connection, it's an alarm for our brain. So the brain, the response, either we become anxious, like pursuing the connection because it's a survival mechanism, or we shut down and withdraw. So both of these strategies or stances is a response to the disconnection. That disconnection is really causes us to create more depression, which is we shut down, or creates more anxiety when we feel isolated and alone and disconnected from people we depend on.